Tired of slow hosting and scared to migrate your WordPress site? I will show you the exact 5-minute process to move to Namecheap EasyWP without downtime. First, we will start the migration from Namecheap's domain page, then choose a plan, and finally, complete checkout. Let us go. So start by opening up Namecheap.com. This is the home page, and it is where everything kicks off. Just go ahead and pull that up in your browser. Now, look for the option that says Transfer to Us. It is usually right there in the main navigation menu. Click on that. This is the area where they handle all kinds of moves, not just domains, but also your whole WordPress site. Once you are on that page, you will see a few different options. Go ahead and click on Migrate WordPress. That is the specific service we need for getting your site over to their managed hosting. You will now see a description of the service. It explains how they will help migrate your WordPress website quickly and easily to EasyWP. This is their fast and affordable managed hosting service. Take a second to read that over if you want, just to be sure it is the right fit. Then, click the big button that says Migrate to EasyWP. This is the green light to start the actual process. All right, now we get to choose a billing plan. First, click on Monthly. This shows you the month-to-month pricing, which is great if you are just testing the waters or do not want to commit to a long term. Now, click on Yearly. You can see how the price per month drops when you pay for a full year. A nice little saving if you know you are going to stick around. Then go ahead and select Bi-Yearly. That is every 2 years, and the savings are usually even better. It is worth noting these options so you can pick what fits your budget best. Go back and click on Monthly again. No worries, we are just getting a feel for the choices. The interface is pretty forgiving here. Now, click the button that says Try for Free. This is a great option because it lets you test drive EasyWP without spending a dime upfront. You get a full trial period to see if the speed and reliability work for you. And here's the thing. I have done this exact migration myself, and the trial gives you plenty of time to make sure everything runs smoothly before you commit. After that, click on the EasyWP Starter Plan. This is usually the entry level, and it is perfect for most personal sites or small business blogs. Then, click on the price that says $9.88. That should highlight your selection. Finally, click the Checkout button to complete your order. You will go through the usual payment and confirmation steps, and once that is done, your migration process will officially begin. And that is it. In just a few minutes, you have gone from worrying about a slow host to confidently setting up your move to Namecheap's EasyWP. Your site will be faster, more reliable, and you did not break anything along the way. Thanks for watching.